Well, on today's episode, we're actually going to do a tool review of the 18V DeWalt angle grinder. Now take it on the job and put it through its paces. G'day, I'm Dave TTC and this is Dave's Cave, Australia. And please, just one more reminder, please like, subscribe and share. Alright, let's get on with it. And just like that, here we are on the job. So first thing here, I'm just going to take the handle off because I normally don't use a handle. I find it gets a little bit in the way. I'll pop that up there and we'll grab that later. And I will put the blade in. I'll make sure that it's definitely seated in the ring. And you'll note I haven't taken the battery out. And we're up and running. If you have a quick look at the job here, we're putting a new stump in down here, and you might see there's a little bit of a water issue. It could be from this pipe here, which even though the main meter is shut off, there's still a little bit dripping out. I'm hoping that's what it is. We'll have to wait and see. But anyway, just here, we need to just jack the house up a little bit, and there was this pipe that was underneath everything in the way. It also had a little bit of water in it and it's still moist, so I'm not sure where that water's from. But let's just have a look under the house. We're going to cut this and pull it out, so just come around and have a look underneath there. So we're going to go for a crawl under there, see if we can get in there and cut that under the house. And that's part of the reason why I've taken the handle off, is so that I've got a bit more maneuverability. And so here we are under the house, one of my favourite places to be. Okay, it's not. This is the pipe in question. Not sure how good you can see it. Supposedly it's got no water in it. We'll find out. I have cut the other end, so yeah, there shouldn't be any water in it except any just residual water. And as always, because I never, ever, ever, does that sound truthful? Use tools without glasses. Alright, let's have a look at this thing. We're going to just change the angle of that guard a bit, and I'm going to get my hand under that so I'm not cutting into the ground, and let's see how we go. Well, that's a win, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this hat on. Let's get out of these webs, because this is not a place I like to be. So my thoughts. It's good. It's fine. Not quite the power of the 54V. I think in America you call them a 60V. I think in America instead of an 18V you call it a 20V. Same battery, I believe. Anyway, it works fine. It got through that. Didn't struggle. Maybe just a touch slower than the larger unit. Thanks for watching. Please, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you on the next one.